जय हिंद गाइस, स्वागत है आपका आपकी फैमिली 24/7 से जोन में। तो आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं केमिस्ट्री एंड बायोलॉजी के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट एंड रिपीटेडली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस। सो एज यू ऑल नो अबाउट आवर फैकल्टी, बट फिर भी जो हमारी क्लास पहली बार कर रहे हैं और जिन्हें नहीं पता है, सो आई एम पलक एंड आई एम गोना गाइड यू इन केमिस्ट्री एंड बायोलॉजी। सो ये हमारी ई बुक अवेलेबल है, जिसके अंदर आपको मिलेगा रीजनिंग, मेंटल एबिलिटी और एप्टीट्यूड, कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चंस, वीडियो सॉल्यूशन एंड मॉडल प्रैक्टिस पेपर। इसमें आपको सारे पैटर्न कवर हुए हैं इंक्लूडिंग ऑल दी सब्जेक्ट्स। और इस ई बुक का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। अगर कोई भी इंटरेस्टेड है इस ई बुक को बाय करने के लिए, सो आप ज़रूर से चेकआउट कर लेना। अब बात करते हैं हमारे पेड कोर्सेज़ के बारे में। सो anyone who is preparing for the entrance in Lucknow University, DDU Gorakhpir, CUET, Allahabad University, National PG or IT Girls College for the courses like BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, MBA, LLB, BLLB, BLL, BCA etc. So आप हमारा पेड कोर्सेज ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। सो फॉर BSc मैं आपको बता दूं कि केमिस्ट्री एंड बायोलॉजी में अगर आप हमारा पेड कोर्सेज ज्वाइन करते हैं, सो हम आपको उसमें 11 to 12 सारे टॉपिक्स यानी कि 1 by 1 सारे टॉपिक्स के जितने भी पॉसिबल MCQs हैं उनको हम सॉल्व कराएंगे, प्लस जो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस थे उनको भी सॉल्व कराएंगे। ओके, सो इफ़ एनीवन इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन डेफिनेटली बी एबल टू ज्वाइन। कुछ भी आपकी क्वेरी हो सो आप इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे हमें ज़रूर से मैसेज करेगा, हम आपका रिप्लाई करेंगे। ओके, चलिए जी फिर बढ़ते हैं क्लास की तरफ। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्रिस्टलोइड एंड कोलोइड इज ऑफ ऑप्शन ए पार्टिकल साइज, ऑप्शन बी केमिकल कंपोजिशन, ऑप्शन सी आयनिक कैरेक्टर और ऑप्शन डी solubility. So the right answer is option number A, which is particle size। यानी कि क्रिस्टलोइड और कोलोइड के बीच में डिफरेंस किसका होता है? पार्टिकल के साइज का। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वाटर लविंग कोलोइड्स आर ऑप्शन ए हाइड्रोफिलिक, ऑप्शन बी हाइड्रोफोबिक, ऑप्शन सी लायोफोबिक और ऑप्शन डी नन। So the right answer is option number A, which is हाइड्रोफिलिक। जो वाटर लविंग कोलोइड्स होते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? हाइड्रोफिलिक। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, an emulsion of colloidal solution consisting of option A 2 colloids, option B 2 liquids, option C 2 gases or option D 1 solid and 1 liquid. So the right answer is option number B, which is 2 liquids, an emulsion of colloidal solution consisting of 2 liquids. Okay, next question, butter is a colloid formed when option A fat is dispersed in fat, option B fat is dispersed in water, option C water is dispersed in fat or option D suspension of casein in water. So the right answer is option number C, which is water is dispersed in fat. Butter is a colloid formed when water is dispersed in fat and butter is an emulsion. Butter क्या है? Emulsion है. Okay. Next, the stability of lyophobic salts is due to option A Brownian motions only, option B electric charge only, option C both Brownian motion and electric charge or option D particle size. So the right answer is option number C, which is both Brownian motion and electric charge. The stability of lyophobic salts is due to both Brownian motion and electric charge. Next question, which of the following is an emulsifier? Option A oil, option B soap, option C solvent or option D KCl. So the right answer is option number B, which is soap. Which of the following is an emulsifier? Emulsifier is a soap. Okay, next, total energy change for a reversible isothermal cycle is option A always positive, option B 0, option C always negative, or option D always 100 kilojoule per degree. So the right answer is option number B, which is 0. Total energy change for a reversible isothermal cycle is 0. Next, an endothermic reaction is the one which, option A, heat is converted into electricity, option B, heat is absorbed, option C, heat is evolved, or option D, heat changes to mechanical work. So the right answer is option number B, which is heat is absorbed. तो एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन में क्या होता है, हीट एब्जॉर्ब्ड होती है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, heat of the content of the system is called, option A internal energy, option B enthalpy, option C free energy, or option D entropy. So the right answer is option number B, which is enthalpy. The heat of the content of the system is called enthalpy. Okay. Next question. Hess law deals with, option A changes in heat of reaction, option B rate of reaction, option C equilibrium constant, or option D influence of pressure on a volume of gas. So the right answer is option number A, which is changes in heat of the reaction. Hess law deals with changes in heat of reaction. Next, heat of reaction at constant volume is measured in the apparatus. Option A bomb calorimeter, option B calorimeter, option C pycnometer, or option D pyrometer. So the right answer is option number A, which is bomb calorimeter. Heat of reaction at constant volume is measured in the apparatus bomb calorimeter. Next, the theory of ionization was presented by, option A Faraday, option B Arrhenius, option C Ostwald, or option D Rutherford. So the right answer is option number B, which is Arrhenius. Arrhenius ने क्या दिया था, theory of ionization. ठीक है, it's an important question, so इसको ध्यान रखिएगा. Theory of ionization was presented by Arrhenius. Next, conductivity of an aqueous solution of an electrolyte depends on, option A molecular mass of an electrolyte, option B boiling point of a solvent, option C degree of ionization, or option D volume of the solvent. So the right answer is option number C, which is degree of ionization. Conductivity of an aqueous solution of an electrolyte depends on degree of ionization. Next, which one, when 1 coulomb of electricity is passed through electrolytic solution, the mass deposited on the electrode is equal to, option A equivalent weight, option B molecular weight, option C electrochemical equivalent, or option D 1 gram. So the right answer is option number C, which is electrochemical equivalent. When 1 coulomb of electricity is passed through an electrolytic solution, the mass deposited on the electrode वो किसके इक्वल होगा, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल इक्विवेलेंट के इक्वल होगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Chromatography is a technique based on, option A solubilities of solute, option B adsorption of solute, option C chemical adsorption followed by dispersion, or option D differential adsorption of different constituent of mix. So the right answer is option number D, which is differential adsorption of different constituent of mix. Chromatography is a technique that is based on differential adsorption of different constituents of mixture. Okay. Next question. The name catalysis was given by option A. Rutherford, option B. Langmuir, option C. Graham, or option D. Berzelius. So the right answer is option number D. Berzelius. The name catalysis was given by Berzelius. Okay, this is also an important question. ध्यान रखिएगा. Next, glucose and fructose is converted into ethyl alcohol in the presence of option A. maltose, option B. invertase, option C. diastase, or option D. zymase. So the right answer is option number D, which is zymase. Glucose or fructose can be converted into ethyl alcohol in the presence of zymase enzyme. Okay. Next question. Efficiency of catalyst depends upon its option A. molecular weight, option B. number of free valencies, option C. physical state, or option D. amount used. So the right answer is option number B, which is number of free valencies. Efficiency of catalyst किस पे depend करता है? Number of free valencies पे. Okay. Next question. The formation of diethyl ether from ethanol is catalyzed by option A. H2SO4, option B. I2, option C. Cu, or option D. nickel. So the right answer is option number A, which is H2SO4. The formation of diethyl ether from ethanol is catalyzed by H2SO4. Okay. Next, distribution law was given by option A. Henry, option B. Van't Hoff, option C. Nernst, or option D. Ostwald. So the right answer is option number C, which is Nernst. Distribution law was given by Nernst. Next question. So from here we will start biology. Okay. So question number 1. Ganong's photometer is used in the study of option A. photosynthesis, option B. respiration, option C. transpiration, or option D. photorespiration. So the right answer is option number D, photorespiration. Ganong's photometer is used in the study of photorespiration. Next, gene mutation takes place in option A. deoxyribose nucleic acid, option B. mitochondria, option C. chloroplast, or option D. ribosome. So the right answer is option number A, which is deoxyribose nucleic acid. Gene mutation takes place in DNA. Okay. Next question. The term struggle for existence was given by option A. Darwin, option B. Lamarck, option C. Curie, or option D. none. So the right answer is option number A, which is Darwin. The term struggle for existence was given by Darwin. Next, the phenomena where animals undergo dormancy to escape from excessive heat is called option A. diapause, option B. estivation, option C. hibernation, or option D. cyclomorphosis. So the right answer is option number B, which is estivation. The phenomena where animals undergo dormancy to escape from excessive heat is called estivation. Okay. Next question. The most valuable pearl is produced by option A. Mytilus, option B. Unionidae, option C. Miliagrina, or option D. Ostrea virginiana. So the right answer is option number B, which is Unionidae. Unionidae से क्या मिलता है? हमें सबसे valuable pearl. Next, Plasmodium vivax causes option A. malignant malaria, option B. mild malaria, option C. quartan fever, or option D. none. So the right answer is option number A, which is malignant malaria. Plasmodium vivax causes malignant malaria. Next, the most primitive mollusk is option A, chiton, option B, neopilina, option C, patella, or option D, unio. So the right answer is option number B, which is neopilina. The most primitive mollusk is neopilina. Next, Archaeopteryx is the connecting link between option A, Pisces and amphibians, option B, amphibians and reptiles, option C, reptiles and aves, or option D, aves and mammals. So the right answer is option number C, which is reptiles and aves. Archaeopteryx is a connecting link between reptiles and aves. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not a waterborne disease? Option A, typhoid, option B, cholera, option C, amoebic dysentery, or option D, asthma. So the right answer is option number D, which is asthma. Asthma is not a waterborne disease. Okay. Next, organism that lives near the air or water surface is called benthos, option B, nectin, option C, neuston, or option D, plankton. So the right answer is option number C, which is neuston. Organism that lives near the air water surface. एयर वाटर सरफेस में जो रहते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूस्टन. नेक्स्ट, which of the following systems protects our body against disease causing microbes? Option A, immune system, option B, digestive system, option C, excretory system, or option D, respiratory system. So the right answer is option number A, which is immune system. ठीक है. Which of the following systems that protects our body against disease causing microbes? These are immune systems. Okay. Next, which of the following immunity is present from our birth? Option A, innate immunity, option B, active immunity, option C, passive immunity, or option D, acquired immunity. So the right answer is option number A, which is innate immunity, जिसको इनबॉर्न इम्यूनिटी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, ये इम्यूनिटी हमारे बर्थ से प्रेजेंट होती है हमारे अंदर, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं? इनेट इम्यूनिटी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, यूट्रोफिल्स, बेसोफिल, lymphocyte, eosinophil and monocytes are examples of option A, physical barrier, option B, cellular barriers, option C, cytokine barriers, or option D, physiological barriers. So the right answer is option number B, which is cellular barriers. Neutrophils, basophils, lymphocytes, eosinophils and monocytes. These are examples of cellular barriers. Next, B cells, T cells are the two types of cells that are involved in option A, innate immunity, option B, active immunity, option C, passive immunity, or option D, acquired immunity. So the right answer is option number D, which is acquired immunity. B cells and T cells are the two types of cells that are involved in acquired immunity. Next, the common disorders caused by the poor immune system include option A, epidemic diseases, option B, deficiency diseases, option C, autoimmune diseases, or option D, none of the above. So the right answer is option number A, which is epidemic diseases. The common disorders caused by poor immune system includes epidemic diseases. Okay. Next, which of the following statements is true about passive immunity? Option A, this immunity causes reactions. Option B, this immunity develops immediately. Option C, this immunity lasts only for weeks or months, or option D, all of the above. So the right answer is option number D, which is all of the above. Which of the following statements is true about passive immunity? It is, this immunity causes reactions, immunity develops immediately, and this immunity lasts only for a few weeks or months. So all of these options are correct. Okay. Moving on to next question. The branch of biology involved in the study of immune systems in all organisms is called option A botany, option B microbiology, option C immunology, or option D biotechnology. So the right answer is option number C, which is immunology. The branch of biology that is involved in the study of immune systems in all organisms is known as immunology. Okay. Next, which of the following cells is involved in cell mediated immunity? Option A T cells, option B B cells, option C mast cells, or option D both T and B cells. So the right answer is option number A, which is T cells. जो cell mediated immunities होती हैं उनको T cells में involved होती हैं. ठीक है. Next, cells involved in innate immunity are option A phagocytes, option B macrophages, option C natural killer cells, or option D all of the above. So the right answer is option number D, which is all of the above. Innate immunity में जो cells involved होते हैं वो है phagocytes, macrophages and natural killer cells. All of these options are correct. Okay. Next, which of the following immunity is called the first line of defense? Option A innate immunity, option B active immunity, option C passive immunity, or option D acquired immunity. So the right answer is option number A, which is innate immunity. It is the first line of defense. Okay. हाँ जी, तो आज की क्लास में इतना ही. तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहिए, अपने नोट्स रिवाइज करिए और हमारी प्लेलिस्ट ज़रूर से चेकआउट करिएगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.